And another problem we are facing here is we have right now around 41,000 displaced people from Myanmar, Bangladesh and Manipur. We have to feed them. Regarding the implementation of these new criminal laws, the main problem we are facing in Mizoram is that of the internet connection, which has been, a matter of concern and a matter of challenge. The Ministry of Communication and IT must come up with a scheme so that our problem is over. This perennial issue can be solved immediately. And another problem we are facing here is we have right now around 41,000 displaced people from Myanmar, Bangladesh and Manipur. We have to feed them. We have to shelter them. We have to educate their children. And with a little, resource that we have, it is quite a burden on the state's shoulder. So we need the continuous support from the center. And we have a long international boundary. We need to have more of these immigration checkposts. We have too much of vacancies. The high rate of vacancy in the police department resulted into, a poor performance. So at the same time, there is shortage of vehicles, there is shortage of funds. So what I would like to state here is that, the other states are being given the SRE, which means what is that? Security-related expenditure. The rest of the states are given security-related expenditure, whereas Mizoram is denied of that because we are the most peaceful state in the country. So being a most peaceful state in the country means you become a loser. So peace doesn't pay. Peace doesn't have dividend. So I will request the Home Ministry, if they cannot extend the facility of SRE to us, then at least we should be given a peace bonus so that it will be a good example for other states that peace pays. That's all I have to say.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.